G'day everyone, welcome back. Get ready for your kitchen to smell absolutely divine, because today we're making a banging banana bread. It's super moist, packed with flavour, and ridiculously easy to make. For this beauty, you'll need sugar, melted butter, a couple of eggs, vanilla, but I like to use golden syrup, a splash of lemon juice, plain flour, baking powder, bicarb, salt, some sour cream for amazing moistness, some almond meal that adds richness and moisture, resulting in a tender and somewhat buttery tasting texture, and of course, super ripe bananas. The spottier, the better. To prepare your pans, I have a well-loved silicone loaf mold and a 20 by 20 centimeter square mold that I'll demonstrate a quick guide to grease and dust. Grab some grease-proof paper, crumble it into a rough ball, and use it to scoop out some butter. Rub it generously into your chosen tin or pan, making sure to get right into all the corners. Next, lightly dust with flour, again covering the entire surface area. Gently tap out any excess flour. Here I'm using the almond meal, giving the banana bread a lovely toasted almond taste and smell. First up, in a large bowl, we're going to beat together the sugar, our melted butter, and the eggs. Just mix them until they're nicely combined. No need to go overboard here. Now in go all the remaining ingredients. You can dump everything in. Give it a good stir and you'll still come out with an amazing, albeit slightly denser banana bread. Or we can add the ingredients in order. If you are using mashed bananas, add them now. If you are using sliced bananas, fold them into the fully mixed batter later on. Give it a quick whisk to incorporate the banana. Next goes in the sour cream and lemon juice, followed by the golden syrup. That was a fun little discovery I made when I had no vanilla. Give it a good whisk to combine. In goes the almond meal and over the bowl with a fine mesh sieve. Sift in the flour, salt, bicarb soda, and baking powder, removing any clumps. Okay, this is a key tip for tender banana bread. Mix everything together lightly, just until it's combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Over mixing develops the gluten too much and can make it tough. Pour your beautiful batter into a prepared tin. I'm using a standard loaf pan today, but a 20 by 20 centimeter square pan works great too. Make sure it's greased and floured to prevent sticking. Into a preheated oven it goes. That's 175 degrees Celsius for a regular oven or 160 degrees Celsius if you got fan forced. For a loaf tin, it'll take about 60 minutes. If you're using a 20 by 20 centimeter square pan, check it around the 45-minute mark. Look at that, golden brown and smelling incredible. You'll know it's done when a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean, or with a few moist crumbs attached. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes before carefully turning it out onto a wire rack to cool completely. You need patience here because it smells amazing. Once it's cooled, slice yourself a thick piece of this delicious banging banana bread. It's so moist and delicious. Perfect for an at-home treat. Eat it plain, slather it with butter, or make this very tasty frosting. Or check out the finger lime curd video. First up, the secret to a massive flavour boost. Zest your lemons directly into the granulated sugar. Then get your fingertips in there and rub that zest right into the sugar for a couple of minutes. This releases all those beautiful lemon oils and makes the sugar super fragrant. In a large bowl, chuck in your softened cream cheese and softened butter. Beat them together with an electric mixer on medium speed until they're perfectly smooth and combined. Now, add that gorgeous lemon-infused sugar to the cream cheese mix. Here's where the magic happens. Beat this on medium speed for a good 5 to 7 minutes. Look at that. Creamy, zesty, and delicious. You'll find the full recipe in the description. Happy baking!